Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We need to have an extremely important conversation about Bitcoin because a few immensely interesting things that you need to be aware of is happening with Bitcoin right now, and this is going to have a massive effect on the rest of the market. So if you guys want to hear more about that and you want to stay up to date with time-sensitive critical technical analysis, please like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, and you guys get to stay up to date with the latest and greatest in crypto today. So let's delve into this, folks, ladies and genitals. So much to talk about here. Let me just begin by running through some brief technical analysis with Bitcoin, what that means for the altcoins, and some absolutely amazing macro off chart factors that you guys need to be aware of. So let's delve into this, guys. Bitcoin was forming a descending triangle, and we seem to be breaking out bullishly. This is a big deal. If we look on the daily, we have had a bullish crossover on the daily MACD. That is quite a big deal in my opinion, folks. Everything is on the up and up. RSI, higher highs, higher lows. If we go to the 12-hour, everything's on the up and up. If we go to the 6-hour, everything's on the up and up. If we go to the 4-hour, everything's on the up and up. Guys, even if we go down to the 1-hour, even on the 1-hour, everything is still going in the up and up. The only signs that we could potentially see a pullback is, we're kind of approaching like the overbought regions. Okay, we might have a little bit of a pullback, but guys, everything looks immensely bullish. We've broken out of this macro descending triangle. Extremely bullish. I think Bitcoin has a very good chance of testing all-time highs and perhaps surpassing it. Could Bitcoin go to $46,000, $46,000? I definitely think it could in the short to mid-term. Not only are the technicals, the on-chart things, indicators, extremely bullish, but guys, there are some macro factors outside of the charts that you absolutely need to be aware of. Folks, MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy is holding a webinar today and tomorrow, February 3rd and 4th, 2021, talking to 1,400 companies. The 1,400 public companies that are most receptive to getting into Bitcoin and getting into crypto. MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor is helping them get onboarded onto Bitcoin and onto crypto today. Ladies and genitals, this is huge. This is a big deal. I bet you anything. Once the quarterly filings come out for first quarter 2021, we're gonna see a massive spike in publicly traded companies starting to buy into Bitcoin. Ladies and gentlemen, Elon Musk, who's the official richest man in the world in terms of publicly disclosed rich people, he has put Bitcoin in his Twitter bio. Do you think that's a coincidence? Do you think he's gonna put that in his bio and not buy either Bitcoin himself or have Tesla buy into Bitcoin? I highly doubt it. It's obviously speculation, but I do think it's possible that Elon and Tesla has bought Bitcoin, and it's gonna take a few months for us to figure it out. They don't want to spook the market, because if all of a sudden all these 1,400 companies told everyone that they were going into Bitcoin, and Elon Musk told everyone he bought tens of thousands of Bitcoin, what do you think the price would do? It would skyrocket. It would go to 100,000 a month. So they're being quiet about it. But guys, this is a big deal. The institutions are flooding into crypto. Not only that, guys, Visa is now partnering with banks to allow banks to provide Bitcoin and crypto services. Guys, the floodgates are open. It is here. The time is now. Guys, it's happening. The thing we've been talking about for months on this channel, that the institutional investors are coming in. Every bull run in history in cryptocurrency moves in cycles, for those who don't know. Every bull run in beforehand has been driven by retail investors. This time it's different, because the large institutional investors are coming in, and it's just the beginning. I believe we are still early to Bitcoin, and even far more early in some of the other cryptocurrencies, some of the altcoins, such as Ethereum. Guys, yes, this is a Bitcoin video. Yes, there's so many macro bullish factors, both on chart and off chart. But what does this mean for the altcoins? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think Bitcoin leads the market and Ethereum leads the altcoins. Ethereum just broke above its all-time highs the other day and is now well into the 1600s. I think we're going to see a $2,000 Ethereum very, very soon, in my opinion. So, guys, I think it's just a matter of time before some of these institutions start to move over into Ethereum. And Ethereum is earlier in the cycle than Bitcoin is. So yes, while I don't think you're early in Ethereum anymore, because it's past its all-time highs. I've been trying to ring the alarm bells for weeks and months at this point. I've been saying Ethereum below all-time highs was cheap, undervalued. Now that we're above all-time highs, congratulations, you are no longer early. But in comparison to Bitcoin, I do think Ethereum is still early in comparison to Bitcoin. Ethereum is earlier in the cycle in comparison to Bitcoin. And so I've been saying for a while now, Ethereum is the next Bitcoin, because Ethereum is the next crypto that institutions are most likely to get into. And so I think you can still be early on Ethereum in the sense that I think 6 months down the road is when we're going to start hearing a lot more about, how the institutions are now eyeing Ethereum and now getting into Ethereum. So, guys, so many interesting things to look out for here. As well, guys, the Bitcoin dominance. With Bitcoin and Ethereum really exploding, it is just a matter of time before alt season comes around and we see a bunch of altcoins start to really explode. As soon as we see Bitcoin dominance really start to go for that next leg down, see how it kind of like went down, had a sideways consolidation, kind of forming a bear flag if we presume that we could have another leg down. That should be your cue that alt season is here and the good altcoins are going to fly. So guys, just to summarize my thoughts a bit here, what's happening with Bitcoin is tremendously important because it won't just affect Bitcoin. Bitcoin leads the market. I think if Bitcoin goes to $100,000, I think Ethereum's going to $10,000 at the peak. If Bitcoin goes to 200, I think Ethereum's going to 20. If Bitcoin goes to 300,000, I think Ethereum's going to 30. If Bitcoin goes to 500,000, I think Ethereum's going to 50,000 this cycle. So what the Ethereum and the altcoins do, I think, is all contingent upon what Bitcoin does. So it's very important to understand, even if you're not heavily in Bitcoin, to understand what it's doing, because it will have an effect on the rest of the market. I do think Bitcoin is likely to reach its peak sometime late September, early October this year, and enter a bear cycle and years of consolidation. Ethereum and the altcoins are likely to reach their peak roughly a month after Bitcoin. So guys, those are my thoughts. The institutions are flooded into the space. As soon as we see Bitcoin dominance go for that leg down, that should be your cue that altcoin season is here. And I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice, but I would want to have the altcoins I still want to be holding 10 months from now secure and ready, because guys, Bitcoin is blasting off. Ethereum has surpassed its all-time highs. Alt season is around the corner. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring you that update. Like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell icon, find notifications. Check out our Discord, link for that will be down in the description below. They get all the news articles, trade setups, all that interesting Gucci stuff first. So yeah, check that out, link down in the description. If you want to trade these markets, I highly encourage you to check out Bybit. Link for that will be down in the description. Be very careful when leverage trading, it's very risky. And don't trade or invest anything you're not willing to lose as well, guys. If you guys want to utilize AI-fueled price predictions and portfolio suggestions platform that we use on this show to inform our research, I invite you to check out Token Metrics. There's a link down in the description. They have like a paid trial. It's like 1 week for $10 or something. Check that out. Okay, folks, take care.